everyone! Welcome back to this channel. Have you ever found a great template on Canva? Started for later but then couldn't remember where to find it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to locate your star templates in Canva in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, we're going to head on to www.canva.com. When you log into your Canva account, click on Projects, found in the left sidebar menu. And in the main workspace panel, you'll already see the Your Starred button, which collects all starred templates and projects you've created. You can open the projects instantly inside this starred section. Or you can duplicate the design template by clicking the three-dot point menu or the overflow menu and select Make a Copy. A pop-up dialog box will appear for you to click Open, redirecting you to a duplicated copy of your design. If you're planning to unstar your design, click the overhead menu again and click Unstar for you. This is how to star templates for future use. First thing is to head over to Template inside the sidebar menu and browse to Canva's available templates. Using your Canva Pro account, these templates are limitless. You can star which templates you would like to use on your next project. Another thing you can do with your starred items is to create different sections. Simply click the plus icon and rename each section. You can then sort out these starred templates by doing a drag and drop into the following starred sections. Canva also allows you to star templates for your team, making the designs visible to the team members of your Canva account. Now, it created a section called Starred for Team. You can also view all star designs by going to the Projects tab and clicking the View as List option in your screen. And you will finally see all the starred designs. And that's it! Now you know exactly how to find and manage your starred templates in Canva. This trick saves so much time, especially if you use Canva frequently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any Canva related questions. See you in the next video.